This video is going to show how to check Z-axis clearances with Z-DRC in the Allegro Productivity Toolbox in OrCAD PCB Designer. Open the provided design in OrCAD PCB Designer Professional with the Allegro Productivity Toolbox option selected. Select Tools, Z-DRC from the menu. In the Z-DRC window, under Spacing Value, select Fix. This will give you the ability to define a spacing value manually. Under Layer Distance Calculation, select Exclude External Copper. This will only calculate using the thickness of the dielectric layers from the current layer span. Select Net A3 from the Group A list. Select Data 10 from the Group B list. The defined layer span contains nets A3 and Data 10. Select Z-DRC Update Clean Up All DRC from the bottom of the window. Select the Output tab to view the results. The DRC check was run, but no errors were found. Let's modify the test to throw an error. Select the Main tab again and change the fix value to 12.0. This will identify any traces on the selected nets that are less than 12 mils apart in the Z direction. Select Z-DRC Update Clean Up All DRC from the bottom of the window. Select the Output tab to view the generated error in the Z-DRC error window and on the board. Select DRC Errors under Reports. The report file is saved in the working directory and opened in OrCAD. Here we can see the distance is 8 mils and does not meet the defined requirement of 12 mils. Select Layer Distances under Reports. This report shows the calculated layer thickness for each layer combination. Select the error to view its location on the board. If Limit Layers is enabled, only the layers relevant to the error are visible. To correct the error, select Edit Change Objects from the menu. Check the option for New Subclass. Select Layer IS4 from the New Subclass dropdown. Click the green Data 10 trace to change its layer to IS4. Right-click and select Done when finished. Back in the Z-DRC window, select Z-DRC Update Clean Up All DRC from the bottom of the window. Select the Output tab. The error has been resolved and the marker has been cleared. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.